Hello and welcome to Legal Basics with Tyra Law Global, and my name is Tian. Today we discuss a topic that is talked about a lot but little understood, and that is due diligence. So what does a due diligence mean? It means that a person has found out enough information about a transaction to ensure that they're going to make the wisest, most informed decision. So when you're a buyer and you want to acquire property, you need to carry out due diligence all the time before you commit yourself to an agreement and before you fulfill any obligations. So what is the first thing that you need to do? You need to know the general information about the property that you want to acquire. For instance, how do you know about this property? It could have been through an advertisement, it could have been through a broker, it could have been through the radio, it could have been through the newspaper. So one thing you need to know is that whenever there's a broker in the middle, especially if it is an informal transaction, some people will try to make a big deal out of a sale. So we're living in the age of information. How do you save yourself? So first of all, you need to know something casual, general about this property, about its location, about its size, about who is selling. Just by a simple Google of what is the price of an eighth of an acre in Kenya, you will be able to know the range, the price range. You will be able to know whether this particular place has issues. For example, the properties at the Ngong Forest at the moment. You will be able to know whether this particular person that is dealing has had unscrupulous deals before. Those things are very important just at the beginning of a transaction. Secondly, you have to do a search. How do you do a search? Well, when you start the process and you have communicated to your to-be seller that you intend to acquire a property, they should be able to furnish you with a copy of the title and a copy of their PIN. Now, with a copy of the title and the PIN, you can be able to carry out a search. A search is very, very, very important because under our laws, a document of title is not the conclusive proof of ownership. The conclusive proof of ownership is the register that is kept at the lands office. Now, when you carry out a search, then the government is able to go through their register and they're able to tell you exactly who owns the property, whether the property is encumbrance, whether it has been given for a loan, whether a caveat has been registered under it, and this is information that you would ordinarily not find out from a seller. But you have to carry out a survey. How is this done? The moment that you know the title number or the reference to the property that you want to acquire, through the same copy of title, you can go and get a map of the locality that this property exists in. Every property in Kenya that has been adjudicated has a map for the area. When you go to the land office, get the map, then go to a certified surveyor. Always deal with a professional. Have the surveyor go to the ground and tell you exactly which piece of land you are buying. We have found many people who are sold for a piece of property that is sometimes vacant, yet the one that is really referred to is another one that is owned by another person, sometimes even under construction. So this helps you to know exactly which property you're buying. This will be the end of today's broadcast. That forms part 1 on a 3-part series on due diligence. We hope to get your questions and we will respond to them. Please write to us on tyralawglobal@gmail.com and comment here below. Stay safe. Bye-bye.